as we strongly believe in the importance of digital marketing nowadays, especially on the medical field, and we also know that there is no smart, fast and most affordable way for communication between all the medical members. That's why we decided to create a dedicated and creative medical platform. Welcome to Medicaspace. Medicaspace is the largest dedicated medical platform that allows all the medical members to communicate with each other in a professional and most affordable way. As you see here, the meaning behind our logo that Medicaspace connects between three important parties in the medical field. It connects the producers with the largest number of distributors to reach the end user all over the world. And the lines in between means that the Medicaspace is the only platform that allows communication between all the medical members. First, we have to fill the registration form, and it's completely for free. Write your first and last name here, write your email address, make sure it's an available email. Create a new password for the website. Add your country here to see everything is new in your country in the medical field. Add your mobile phone. Add your possession. Medicaspace member will be asked to choose a specific specialty to see everything is new without distraction, as we know the importance of your time. You can also add many secondary specialties in your interest. Now we have done. You can go to your email to activate your account. And now, after activation, you can log into your own account on Medicaspace. As you see here on the right side, Medicaspace has a message icon, notification icon, and the setting where you can edit your profile photo. And here, you can invite all your friends and colleagues to join Medicaspace to interact with each other through our homepage, where you can add your daily information and sharing everything's new. You can also press on people here to add friends on Medicaspace based on your specialty and country and build your community. Medicaspace creates a dedicated company index based on your specialty and country, with all the company information such as location, contact person, company profile, and many more. Brand your company's name and increase the number of your customers by adding your company from here between thousands of medical companies worldwide. And from the products here, the company can add their product between thousands of other products with all the product information and photos to reach the largest number of customers easily. We don't miss to make a special category for the use device system and product with special offers in Medicaspace. And if you are looking for a job in the medical field, we have got you covered. Find thousands of jobs available now and apply through Medicaspace now for free. And also, if you are a company and has a job vacancies, you can add the job description from here. Medicaspace has more than 20,000 online lectures in many specialties on its website, and they are all available and you can see all of them for free. And from the technologies here, you can add every new technology in the medical field. From the events here, you can be updated with all the events in the medical field. Find thousands of events available on Medicaspace in many countries and specialties. Medicaspace in the few months became a media partner with the largest international events worldwide. As a mother company, you can add your profile from here to find distributors all over the world. To know more about Medicaspace, you can scroll down and press on About Us here. You can press here to contact us. And here you will find Medicaspace guide and the advertisement guide. Press here to download Medicaspace application.